took all the screws out of my fridge door watches.
Come here! Come here! There's something awesome in that fridge.
What is it?
Open it and see.
Munchkin.
Oh shit! What'd you do?
I didn't mean to.
You just broke it.
Ricky, I just broke his fridge. Come here. Yeah.
Tell him to open it up.
Come open it. It ain't gonna break. Come open it.
No, something's gonna happen.
There's nothing in it. I already did it. There's nothing in
There
it.
is.
Yeah,
You broke it.
There's nothing in it. Open it up.
Oh, look, dude. Look, there's something I like. What?
Just took the bolts off, that's all.